In the oppressive darkness of the dense forest, Marcus stumbles, his gear scattered, his hope fading with the dying light. Alone and disconnected, panic claws at Marcus as the rustling leaves behind him ignite a terrifying illusion. He whirls around, desperately seeking the source of the sound, only to confront the chilling emptiness that fuels his rising paranoia. Lost in the dense forest, Marcus grapples with an unsettling sensation as the woods themselves conspire against him. The distant howl of an unseen beast pierces the silence, amplifying Marcus' growing unease as he struggles to find his way back. Each step deeper into the woods heightens the tension, the palpable feeling of being watched, intensifying with every rustle of leaves and snap of twigs. In the dead of night, Marcus discovers an old campsite, the faint warmth of dying embers igniting a surge of panic. His frantic gaze sweeps across the surrounding woods, each rustle and shadow fueling his mounting dread. His mind races with chilling possibilities. A hunter, a lost soul, or something far more sinister lurking in the shadows. Disturbed earth and scattered debris amplify the haunting sense of unease, hinting at a recent and possibly violent presence. Under the moon's ghostly glow, shadows dance in a forest clearing, as a mysterious figure emerges from the darkness, stirring a sense of unease. Marcus is struck by a chilling realization, his face etched with a mixture of fear and dawning recognition, that he is not alone. The figure exudes an aura of ancient secrets, its presence both familiar and disturbingly unknown, captivating Marcus with an unsettling sense of recognition.